Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIGL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $3.15. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $3.15, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to actually stay above $3.15, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the overall move. Keep an eye on that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 315, that would be great, but big picture point of view, as long as the price is above $3 or is above that purple line there, then the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, seems to be right here around $3 and we'll call it 27 cents. And I realize the price did go up above that level a couple of times, but the price also didn't quite hit it a couple of times. So what I'm doing is just splitting the difference. And hopefully we can all agree that the general area of price congestion, definitely right up there around $3.27, give or take a couple pennies. So that'll be public enemy number one. All in all, though, any way you slice it, nice movement today. And as long as the chart continues to build higher bases, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.